What does Evan's hesitation before involving Tyler suggest about their relationship at this moment? A. He and Tyler have not gotten along in the past, so he's reluctant to share. This matches what we see in the passage. The text says he had never gotten along with Tyler, but maybe it would be good to have someone else on the case. That hesitation comes directly from their rocky history, so this choice fits. This being the case, this is likely our answer, but let's take a look at our remaining choices just to be sure. B. He isn't sure if Tyler also recognizes the boy, which makes him cautious. The problem here is that Evan's hesitation comes before Tyler even comments on the photo. The text doesn't suggest he was holding back because he doubted Tyler's recognition. We can mark this choice off. C. He worries Tyler might make fun of him or dismiss the discovery. While this might technically be able to be inferred based on Evan's fondness of being alone and his rocky relationship with Tyler, nowhere in the passage does it tell us that this is because of being teased by Tyler, or even teased in general. While this choice might carry some weight, we can see that choice A already makes the better option, so we can go ahead and mark this choice off as we take a look at choice D. D. He sees Tyler as a longtime confidant, which makes him eager to open up. This directly contradicts the passage. The line clearly says that they have never gotten along, so Tyler is not portrayed as someone Evan usually trusts. This being the case, we can mark this choice off and mark our original answer, choice A, as our final answer.